may bago na pala kaming may bago kaming segment. Kaya ipaabot niya ng 10,000
pesos!
Yes, may
Likes.
punishment na. Hala. Ikaw talaga.
Sabi ko sa'yo kaya ayoko ng punishment segment.
Pero yung mga punishment
Kasi
namin
ako
is...
mayayari dyan.
Miss you
Mga
too,
punishment
guys.
namin is very idle type of punishments. Mga example is, sing a song like you're crying.
Yeah.
Perform another member's part in Uy. 20 seconds push up. Ayan.
Meron?
Yeah. Create a 10-second choreography on the spot.
Asan yung criteria for judging dyan? Ano tingin?
Ayan.
Lahat?
Ito pa, wait.
Pero bawas ko yan yan.
Woo! Ano ba yung target na yan?
Everyone! Cute ni Kylex sa Shape Pot.
We will be starting our live.
Guys, clear ba ang aming voice?
Ay,
Audible ba
dito
kami?
na. Shape Pot.
Edible ka, edible.
Audible ba kami, guys?
Edible.
Para ma-make sure lang namin na, yes! Thank you so much, Sesto.
Edible.
Audible?
Guys, what's up? Good afternoon to everyone po na
Lahat nandyan. Hello po sa ating 32 viewers.
Hearable.
Ayan. So guys, para makapag-start tayo, please keep tapping your screen hanggang sa maka 10k likes tayo.
Please
Okay,
continue
para
tapping the
sunod-sunod na
screen.
ang gagawin.
For us to be able to start
Jimmy
and
Sniper!
reach 10,000 likes.
Cute nung naka-green.
Para malaman nyo kung ano yung dinagdag
Thank you.
naming segment para sa inyo. Ganun.
Hi, Jimmy
Go na yan.
We have 7.5 thousand pesos. Likes. Till we start.
Go. Keep tapping guys and also share and repost this live para mas marami pa pong makapanood sa atin.
Sino naka-denim?
Maraming salamat po.
Denim pants?
It's Kylex, K-Y-L-E-X.
Who is denim?
This is Christian.
Denim Strillo. Shirt denim.
What's the name?
Is this a shirt?
What's the name of the one in denim?
Sino Taguro?
Sino yan? Ay, ikaw. Ay, ano ba? Nasa right, nasa left mo.
Shirt. My name is Kylex.
Siya po si Kylex.
Anyway guys, masaya kami. Nandito kayo. Kaya, ano na?
Paano yung saya?
Share nyo na yan!
Sakay na!
Diba?
Taguro? Ano Taguro? Dapat ba akong matuwa niyan? Anime yan?
Anime yan tayo.
Ano itsura?
Sino yan? No way. Naku talaga. Guys, for 8k likes na lang para makapag-start tayo.
Yeah.
Kaya tap nyo na yan. Diba?
And don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, guys. Project One Official and our live stream account, project1.live. And we would like to thank our following sponsors. Sino?
Mga sponsors po dyan.
NXT Studios, Manila. Thank you so much. We love you.
Wow! Grabe naman na pag-spike na ating viewers. Wow, hello po sa ating 185 dyan. Yan po yan.
Galing.
Saan kayo galing? Wow, hello po. Project One.
Yeah,
Nag-iisang Project
One.
One po sa Pinas.
Aha.
Yes. Hello po sa inyo. Wow. Grabe. Thank you so much po. Grabe, nakikita niyo yan,
Yeah,
guys.
Project One
Nandito yan
OFC.
eh. Ayun, nandoon.
Follow nyo, follow. Project One OFC.
116 na, let's go. Let's go. Keep tapping guys, share niyo yan.
Yeah, konti na
Don't
lang,
forget to
konti
tap
na
the
lang.
screen para makastart na tayo when 10K na yung likes. Let's go!
Yan. Pag naka 10K tayo guys, magpe-perform si... Mag-start lang tayo.
Singers and dancers pa yan dito. P-pop group.
Yeah. For those who, haven't
Eugene!
heard us or...
Ikaw mo, sana sa Malaysia.
Napaka-nonchalant naman ng kuyang naka-blue maong. Wala lang po siyang mic. Ito po yung mic.
Hello po, Doraemon. Doraemon?
Walang gym center.
Thank you for following.
Guys, follow Project One OFC, our official page, social media.
Yeah.
Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, we're a P-pop group po. From the Philippines. Project One po.
Philippines!
Philippines!
Guys, 10K likes na pala tayo. Pwede na pambili ng ano.
Yummy now, proceed to the top 5.
tayo guys! Thank you! Grabe ang hard work niyo sa pag-like. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan.
Bejan, bye-bye. Nag-endless.
So we already reached 10,000 likes.
Dahil dyan, open mo na yan.
At dahil dyan, bigyan ng jacket.
Grabe, no?
P-pop,
Gusto nyo
nice,
gawin
yes.
Spanish?
Yes, P-pop group, Project One.
Ayun, thank you House of Ones. We always love you guys.
Yes, we have a release song na check Project One on Spotify. You can find our first song. It's called Uwe.
Yes, and that's our official fandom. House of Ones. Hello po.
Ayun, we now have a
Hindi
new...
ba yung name?
Ayun, since naka 10,000 likes na tayo, we will introduce our new segment.
Yeah.
Nakita niyo po yung stickers there. Meron pong names, Davey, Lem, Harry, Kylax, and Ricky. In 45 minutes, yung pinakamaraming points will get punished. Ayun.
Hala.
At yung punishment is based sa wheel na to. Wheel! Ay, sorry.
Wheel of Fortune, pakita mo na!
One.
Ayan.
Ayun.
Choice number 1.
Hello, Raisha. How are you?
Ladies' choice.
choice out there. Ayan.
Hello, Doraemon.
Oh, may idol na daw
Ayun.
siya. Oh,
Ito
bias.
po yung sample. Mag-drop kayo ng...
Pasok ka sa top 5!
Ayan, compliment every member. Simple lang yung mga punishments namin, guys.
ganon.
Pero may mga mahihirap. Kagaya ng push-up 100. Ay,
Yes!
Grabe naman 100. Parang...
ayun. More. Para makita nila yung type of punishment.
Tingin. Freeze in your current pose for 30 seconds.
Last three.
Wala
Wala pa ba?
Yes. Yeah, maging main character ka for 3 minutes. Last two.
Paano kayang maging main character?